At its heart, Kanban is a visual management system that helps teams visualize their work process and manage the flow of tasks through various stages of completion. The system uses a Kanban board, which is a visual tool that represents the workflow of the team. Typically, a Kanban board is divided into columns, where each column represents a stage in the workflow. Examples of stages include backlog, to do, in progress, testing, and done. Each task or work item is represented by a card, and as work progresses, the cards are moved across the board from left to right through the columns. This simple visual representation allows the team to see exactly what is being worked on and at what stage, offering transparency and clarity to everyone involved. Kanban's flexibility is one of its most appealing features. It can be applied in various work environments ranging from software development teams managing tasks to manufacturing floors overseeing assembly lines. Unlike Scrum or other agile methodologies, Kanban does not define specific roles, events, or iterations. Instead, it focuses on managing work items continuously based on the team's capacity, with a strong emphasis on maintaining smooth flow, reducing inefficiencies, and increasing team collaboration. The key principles of Kanban include visualizing the workflow. The Kanban board helps make the workflow visible to all team members and stakeholders. By visualizing each work item and its progress through various stages, teams can quickly identify where tasks are stuck or where bottlenecks might occur. Limiting work in progress, WIP. One of the fundamental aspects of Kanban is the limitation of work in progress. YP limits restrict the number of tasks that can be worked on at any given time within each stage of the workflow. These limits help to focus team efforts on completing existing tasks before starting new ones, reducing multitasking and inefficiencies. Managing Flow Kanban aims to create a smooth flow of tasks from start to finish. By continuously monitoring how work flows through the process and identifying bottlenecks, teams can make adjustments to keep work moving efficiently. Continuous improvement, also known as Kaizen, is a core principle of Kanban. It encourages incremental improvements over time. By regularly analyzing the flow of work and team performance, teams can identify opportunities to optimize processes, remove inefficiencies, and, well, enhance overall productivity. The pull system is another key aspect of Kanban. In a pull system, tasks are pulled into the workflow based on available capacity, rather than being pushed by deadlines or a predefined schedule. This system helps teams avoid overloading and ensures they work at a sustainable pace. Now, let's talk about roles and responsibilities in Kanban. While Kanban does not prescribe specific roles, several responsibilities naturally emerge within a team implementing Kanban. These roles help the team maintain efficiency, monitor progress, and continuously improve. The Kanban team consists of all the members who are involved in the process, such as developers, designers, testers, and any other stakeholders. Each team member is responsible for completing the work represented by the cards on the Kanban board. The team collaborates to ensure that work moves smoothly through the system and any bottlenecks or obstacles are identified and resolved quickly. They work together to prioritize tasks and make sure that work is completed in a timely and efficient manner. The Service Delivery Manager ensures that the overall flow of work is optimized. This role focuses on overseeing the performance of the entire Kanban system, ensuring that the workflow is steady and predictable, and managing resources effectively. The SDM helps monitor YP limits, ensure that tasks are moving through the stages efficiently, and assist the team in identifying and removing any bottlenecks. They also work with stakeholders to ensure that work is aligned with business objectives and customer needs. In some cases, a Kanban coach may be brought in to help guide the team through the implementation of Kanban, especially if the team is new to the methodology. The coach's role is to train the team on Kanban principles assist with setting up the Kanban board, and ensure that the team is applying best practices. The coach facilitates regular retrospectives and feedback sessions to help the team identify improvements, experiment with changes, and ensure continuous learning. Although not required by Kanban, some teams use a product owner to help prioritize work. The product owner is responsible for ensuring that the work being done aligns with the team's objectives and stakeholder needs. They typically manage the backlog of work items, ensuring that the highest priority tasks are worked on first. In the Kanban context, the product owner may also help define work items and provide clarification when needed. Several key activities and interactions define the Kanban process and help teams maintain an efficient workflow. Visualizing the workflow. The Kanban board serves as the central tool for visualizing work. The board is divided into columns, each representing a stage of the process. Work items are represented by cards, which are moved from one column to another as they progress through the workflow. This visual representation allows team members to easily see which tasks are in progress, which ones are blocked, and which tasks are completed. It also helps identify bottlenecks or inefficiencies that may be hindering the flow of work. Though Kanban does not require daily meetings, many teams hold daily stand-ups to discuss progress, address issues, and plan for the day ahead. These stand-ups are typically brief, usually 15 minutes, and focus on answering 3 key questions. What did I work on yesterday? What will I work on today? Are there any blockers or issues preventing progress? These daily check-ins help teams stay aligned and ensure that work is flowing smoothly. Work in progress, or YP limits. One of the key features of Kanban is the limitation of YP. YP limits ensure that teams do not start too many tasks at once, which can lead to bottlenecks and inefficiencies. By limiting the number of tasks in each stage of the workflow, teams can maintain focus, reduce task switching, and improve the quality of work. If a stage reaches its YP limit, team members must wait for a task to be completed before starting new work. This system helps maintain a sustainable pace and ensures that tasks are completed before new ones are introduced. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, is a core principle of Kanban. It emphasizes continuous, incremental improvement. Teams regularly review their workflows, metrics, and performance to identify areas for improvement. This feedback loop helps teams refine their processes and increase efficiency over time. Kanban encourages a culture of learning and adaptation, where small changes are made regularly to enhance the team's ability to deliver value. Retrospectives, feedback loops, and metrics such as cycle time, lead time, and throughput are often used to evaluate and improve processes. To help teams manage their workflow effectively, Kanban relies on several key metrics that provide valuable feedback on performance. These include lead time, the time it takes for a task to move from the start of the process to completion. Monitoring lead time helps teams identify how long it takes to deliver work to stakeholders. Cycle time, the time it takes for a task to move through a particular stage of the workflow. This helps teams identify stages where work is getting delayed or stuck. Throughput, the number of tasks completed in a given period, such as a day, week, or month. This metric helps teams measure their productivity. Cumulative flow diagram, or CFD. This tool provides a visual representation of how work is moving through the system over time. It shows how many tasks are in each stage of the workflow and helps identify bottlenecks or stages that require attention. By tracking these metrics, teams can identify patterns, measure performance, and make data-driven decisions to improve their workflow and increase efficiency. In Kanban, work items are pulled into the workflow based on available capacity, ensuring that no team member is overburdened. This pull system helps prevent overload and ensures that the team works at a sustainable pace. Prioritization is key to the Kanban process, as the team must regularly review the backlog and prioritize tasks based on business value, customer needs, and other factors. This allows the team to focus on high-value work and ensure that it is completed first. In conclusion, Kanban is a highly adaptable and efficient methodology for managing work and optimizing team workflows. By visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, Kanban helps teams manage complexity, reduce inefficiencies, and deliver value consistently. The flexibility of Kanban allows it to be applied across a wide variety of industries and work environments, making it a powerful tool for teams looking to improve their productivity and performance. Through real-time feedback, metrics, and continuous learning, Kanban empowers teams to make data-driven decisions, eliminate bottlenecks, and enhance the flow of work. Ultimately, the Kanban system enables teams to work smarter, not harder.